Morning, folks. Today we cook beef burgers with the stones and the fire.
No grinders out here. This is how you get real flavor. Whew! These wild onions will wake you up. Oh yeah, get all that flavor mixed right in. A little salt, straight from the mountain. Gotta work the dough, make it earn it. And for the fries, a little bear fat. That's the secret. All right, time to wake up the dough. Now for a little color. A fresh duck egg does the trick. We'll paint them up with a pine needle brush. Gives them a nice golden shine. And a little of my own wild grain flour. And on to the hot stone. Listen to that sizzle. A thick slice of cheese on top. Let that melt right on. Let's get these patties off to rest. Time to build this masterpiece. Pickles, lettuce, and a big slice of that sun-ripened tomato.
Thanks for joining me, folks. Let me know in the comments what I should cook up next. Until next time, stay wild and stay hungry.